I should check the big Octarim ship.
Stealing from a goblin is the gravest of blasphemy. No punishment is too great for such a transgression. Sobek is swift to judge the profaners. His many teeth will devour the other.
Welcome. We have many unique treasures for...
This is meant to be genuine, but it's a fake, and not a very good one.
It is not fake. It is real. Would you like?
You wish you make...
This is your stall.
Yes, mine. Many unique treasures from faraway SIWA. Not fake. Not fake.
Have you got anything real? I'm sure these are not your best pieces.
What do you mean? These are real. More expensive ones at my camp. I can take you. Not far from here. You follow. That Medjai badge. Not very good, you know. We have better ones. Would you like?
I like this one. These are the treasures of yours. Are they fake as well?
I told you, not fake. Oh, how did you know? My treasures aren't really real, but not fake. My mother has some real ones anyway.
Hey, I have a secret. I was once a Medjai in SIWA. I've seen the real treasures.
Oh, not fair. I made them all myself, you know. No one else can tell.
Do not worry. They are very good fakes. I will not tell anyone.
I said not fake. Were you really Medjai? Maybe you are fake.
Ah, hey. You're a very cheeky child. Hey, let's see what your mother has.
We go along the canal.
You lead. I will fake it.
Does not even make sense. My mother! Oh no! What can we do? Something is wrong.
Do not be afraid. Lucky for you, I am real.
Counterfeit treasures are our game. We are the fake bandits here.
I've got a nice sword. Would you like?
Who in Hades are you?
Just doing my duty while pleasing us. Shame I did not even sit on you when you were a child.
Take anything you want. As I told them, I do not have any money, but I have many unique treasures from SIWA.
Mother, he is not a bandit. He is my friend. Thanks for saving us. I guess you are real. Sorry I said you were fake.
He saved us. We have to give him something. We always repay kindness, remember? I've got something. Here. This is a genuine imitation SIWA kopish. It is very rare. They don't make them anymore. Please, take it with our gratitude.
Mother, he already knows.
Thank you. I'm honored. Yes, I can tell. This one's really real. There are almost none like it.
May you multiply happy years.